guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my current beauty favorites 2024. I thought I'd do a winter version. I tend to do this quite regularly throughout the year on my channel. I change my mind a lot. My favorites change throughout the year depending on like the weather, how my skin is looking, how my skin is feeling. And this is my current updated winter beauty favorites 2024. So it's got a mixture of skincare and makeup, but it's mostly makeup. I think there's only like 3 skincare items, so it's mostly makeup. So let's get started. I'm going to start with skincare. First of all, I have to mention this. I have been absolutely loving this. My mother actually bought this for me as a gift, so I have absolutely no idea how much it was, but oh my gosh, it's my favourite thing ever. This is the L'Oreal Fine Flowers Gel Cream Face Wash for sensitive skin. It cleanses, purifies and softens, and it contains rose and jasmine. This is so nice on my skin. First of all, it smells amazing. Second of all, it's really nice as a face wash to wash your face. Once you wash your makeup off, just to wash your face before you go to bed or when you get up in the morning. It just literally makes your skin super soft, super smooth, super clean. And yeah, I just love it. But I have no idea how much it was, but I will link it down below for you on Amazon if I can find it. I love it. Another thing that interestingly I really love, my mother also got this for me. This actually came in like a mini Clinique set, like a gift set, but I think you can get full size of this or like look for the set. I'll try and find it on Amazon. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's basically a makeup remover balm. You stick your finger in it, rub it on your face, it literally melts your makeup off. I do not like this kind of thing. Like this kind of thing isn't vibing with me, but I love this. Like I didn't think I would like a makeup cleansing balm thing to take your makeup off. I thought that's not for me. I am not into that. But I tried this and I really like it. What I do, I don't like to use it with my fingers. So I literally flick a little bit off with my finger, wipe it on my face, and then I use the face halo to wash my makeup off as well. And the mixture of the two, so the face halo and this, my makeup just slid off my face with the mixture of the two of them. So yeah, I really like this. So this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This and the face halo is a perfect combination just to take your makeup off. I love it. Next thing, this is heavy. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Obviously you can get the smaller version, but I got the big version. I'll tell you why in a second. You can get this in like a squeezy small tube. You can get this in a big bottle like this for half the size, and you can get this gigantic version. I actually got this gigantic version because this was cheaper than the smaller version. They had like an offer in Superdrug. I love this. Honestly, I've actually gone through a small version and the one that's half the size of this, the pump version that's half the size of this. I go through them all the time. This is my favourite moisturiser for the winter. In the winter, my skin is particularly dry, dehydrated, needs moisture. So this is for dry to very dry skin. However, I don't have that. I have combination skin, but it's amazing. So it's really good. It's good for any skin type. Honestly, I use this before bed most evenings and it makes your skin super hydrated, moisturized and soft. I love it. Yes, it is huge, but you can get smaller versions. So I love this. Kind of moving on to makeup now, but this isn't really makeup, but I kind of use it as makeup. So I kind of use this as a primer. So this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hydrating Smoothing Serum. I can literally see that I'm almost at the bottom of this. There's a tiny bit at the bottom, but I do have another one, so we're all good. I use this as a primer sometimes in the winter because my skin is particularly dry, dehydrated, and sometimes I don't need a primer in the winter because I don't tend to wear my makeup as long and I'm not sweating it off, so I don't always reach for primers, so I just kind of use a moisturizer sometimes. But this serum is a good primer as well, so it's kind of like a base for your makeup, hydrates your skin, makes your skin super soft, feels amazing and looks great under makeup. So yeah, I really like this. Again, no idea how much. I will link them down below for you. Okay, we're definitely moving on to makeup now. I'm trying to do it category by category, like how I would do my face. So I'm starting with foundation. I have been loving this at the minute. I actually did a review of this on my channel recently. I will link it down below if you're interested in watching it. So good. I love it. It literally is one of my favourite foundations now. So this is called the L'Oreal True Match Nude Plumping Tinted Serum in the shade Very Light. It's a serum with a tint to it, but it's like a dropper. If you apply 2 coats of it on your skin, it looks like a foundation, and I really like it. It literally lasted all day. I wore it for 8 hours. It didn't budge. It didn't look any different to how it did when I first applied it. I know, crazy. Watch the video if you don't believe me. It looks amazing. I love it. Perfect skin match, like color match. Feels amazing, super lightweight, and yeah, I just love it. Honestly, if you don't have this, run and get it. It is amazing. Okay, now concealer. This concealer blew me away. Honestly, I didn't think it would be that good. This is the Rimmel, the Multitasker Concealer in the shade Fair. It's my new favourite concealer. I use it all the time. It is full coverage. It applies nicely. It blends out nicely. It looks flawless on your skin. Perfect skin colour match. Lots of shades to choose from. Really affordable. I just love it. Okay, now powder. I've been reaching for this a lot lately. This is my new favourite loose powder. This is the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. I've been using this for years, but I've really been enjoying it lately. It's been really good to set my face and keep my makeup in place all day. I love a good loose setting powder. I prefer loose powders to pressed powders. They last longer, they feel better. So this has been up there, and this is really affordable too. Next up, I have loved using this bronzer lately. I've like rediscovered it. It's been in my collection for ages, but I've rediscovered it. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It is the perfect shade for my skin tone. If you do one layer of it. If you build it up, it's too dark for my skin tone, but one layer of this is perfect, and it literally looks like chocolate. It's like butter. Blending this in is like butter on your face. I love it. It smells like chocolate. Amazing. I love it. It's literally like blending butter on your face. It is so smooth, so creamy. I love it. This blush I have been loving. This is like a perfect winter shade for me. This is the Physicians Formula Muru Muru. Is that right? I don't know. Butter blush in the shade Vintage Rouge. This is, I'm not wearing it today, but this is the perfect winter shade for me. It is so nice. It's buildable, so you can build up the coverage, and buttery. Oh my gosh, so buttery, like the last one I just mentioned. So creamy and easy to apply. I love it. Okay, moving on to eye stuff. I actually don't have that much stuff to share with you today, but I have 2 Colourpop single eyeshadows, and what I've been doing is I've been mixing them together, and it is a dream. So I've got the Super Shock shadows in the shade Frog, which is this one. Let me show you. Frog is sparkly, really nice, pinky sparkly. And then I've got the shade How Far I'll Go, which is the Disney Princess collection, and it's like a champagne pinky shade, and the mixture of the 2 of these together is a dream. It literally looks so stunning, so pretty. I love these 2. So creamy as well. Next up, I've been loving this. Now, I used this years ago, and I picked up a travel mini size, which is this one, recently, and I've been obsessed with it. Literally, I've been using it all the time. I forgot how much I liked it. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Obviously, this is the travel size version. I'm actually wearing it on my lashes today. Yes, it is super pricey, and no, it's not my favourite mascara of all time, but I really like it, and I'm glad I rediscovered it recently because I've been loving it lately. Okay, I have 2 lipsticks to mention. This one, I feel like this is going to be in every single favourites video that I have. Well, I tend to only wear this one around the winter time of year, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. And when I say this is my favourite lipstick of all time, I mean it. Honestly, if I could only pick one lipstick in the world that I could ever use ever again, this would be it. So this is like a reddish nude shade. I'm not wearing it now, but it is the perfect match for my skin tone, my hair colour. Honestly, yes, it is super pricey, but I would go out and repurchase this immediately right now if I didn't have it, because I love it that much. It is so good. Definitely a favourite of mine around this time of year. The next lip is actually what I'm wearing right now. This is the Colourpop Disney Designer Collection Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Boo. I have really been enjoying this lately. It is a really nice winter lip gloss. I feel like it's, well, to be honest, you could wear this any time of year. But as you know, I love Colourpop. And this is just my favourite shade at the minute that I've really been enjoying. I'm wearing it now with this makeup look. And yeah, I've just really been enjoying it. Super affordable too. Not sticky at all. And yeah, I just love it. Now my final favourite is a makeup brush. And I use this all the time on my channel. This is the Morphe M439 brush. Yes, it needs a good wash. But I stopped using this recently and I went to other brushes, and when I went back to this I realised how good this actually is. This is the best foundation brush I have ever used. It is super thick, like look how dense this is. There are so many bristles and literally your makeup glides on when you apply this. It is super easy to blend out, really comfortable to hold as well. And they're not bad prices. Like Morphe's a decent priced brand. Morphe are my favourite brushes of all time. And yeah, I just forgot how much I really like this brush. It is definitely my favourite foundation brush. So I've been using this all the time lately too. So yeah, I love this one. So yeah, that completes my current beauty favourites for winter 2024. I hope that you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!